What's up guys, Craig from MotoBros. We're taking this beautiful virgin Yamaha R6 and turning it into a race bike. Welcome to the Yamaha R6 build series. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, there's always the setup and what you're thinking about and what you're doing, but the last thing we wanna do before we tear her down is we wanna take her for a street ride, her last street ride, and let's just say goodbye. All right, so we just got back. This always gets a little bit emotional because you know you go from street to race, but we're ready to tear her down. We're gonna give her a good clean, and then it's time to take her apart. So the reason we're here today is to show you guys what it takes to build a super sport race winning motorcycle. So I want to go through all the parts with you. This is not a how-to. We just want to show you guys what we do, what we use in order to put this motorcycle together. So we're going straight from a stock motorcycle to a race motorcycle. There's going to be a lot of things in between which are going to be great. We're going to show you things like the regular stuff that you're used to seeing, clip-ons, rear sets, brake lines, things like that, the usual things. And then we're going to show you some things that you're not used to seeing, which are aftermarket switches, lightweight subframe, lightweight fairing stay, a couple things that we like to do in between putting the process together, like thermostat, things like that. Putting this all together, it's just showing you what it takes to build a super sport race winning motorcycle. Stay tuned, here comes the MotoBros R6 build series. Look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful vortex lever. We're gonna pump this guy on here. What's up guys, another day. Let's do the easy side. Let's go over here. Woo!